Looks like we may be watching for a short. See what we get. High, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low thing going on. Definitely trending in a channel. Let's see if this trend wants to change. I don't have any contracts loaded up. A lot of range on this chart. Already 3 points. I think I'm gonna load up a SPY. 286. 385. We'll go 385. Start in.
Opening order filled.
Add at highs. Only a point away. Break a high is gonna get me out. Well, give it a little wiggle room. We got some close moving averages nearby. You know, kind of remounting that 9 on the 5. Nice hold of Vwap. We'll see. Kind of got a symmetrical move thing going on. Now, this put's kind of holding its value pretty good. Kind of weird. Here'd be his P&L for this contract. And SPY short, by the way. SPY on this chart, Q's on this chart. So we'll add 2. At highs. Or into highs. We got 2 loaded now. If it don't hold, I'm just going to get out and just take a loss. Go enjoy my day.
Opening order filled.
Got my average down from 216 to 194. In with 3. Added 2. A lot of range on this chart. Alright. The candle don't get too big. We'll wait and see how it closes and how the next candle opens. Let it confirm. Okay. Still in the trade. It's a symmetrical move. All these shorts. I'll give these charts a little time to reset. Gave it some wiggle room. Let this candle close. Let this one open. There we go. Sell one. Mitigate some risk there. Sell 2.
Closing order filled.
Now I'm back down to 1. So basically I get my average up closer to my risk. I get the money and I start peeling off contracts because I don't really want to be in with. Still not too comfortable with the trade. So I take the 2 off to mitigate my risk. Now I'm down to 1 contract. And that gives me a little bit more confidence to hold. See if I can get a little follow through. This 50 will get me out. See, this is holding 9 right here. Yeah, she kind of looks like she wants to launch. We'll see. Probably not going to add no more at my risk. Because, like I said, not too comfortable in the trade. Now, if I was totally comfortable in the trade, yeah, I'd probably add right here. I mean, the news kind of popped on a negative report. I know sometimes good news is bad news. Bad news is good news. Or however, yeah. Anyway, better than a $50 loss where I was at. And she had that now, so she's strong. See if the next candle does. She's right at that 100 too, man. And Q's is kind of at this trend. Still in the trade. If this candle dips back down to this level, I'll probably just sell it. Probably wait for see if Q's can retest this trend or 50 EMA. I'm going to get out.
Closing order filled.
Didn't like how it held that 9. Punched through. Didn't confirm a break of this. These candles are still. See, this candle broke. If it breaks this, that's where I would normally get out. But I think we may be going to this trend with 50 on Q. So that would put me probably these 275s right here. 275.5s. Not often we get a 0.5. Look, I would have been out right there anyway. Minus 30, all good. I'll give it one more shot. 278.85. Alright, almost through this trend. Let's see, 278.85 is the 50. This trend, 278.71. I mean, so right into it. I'll be getting into these 275s. Come on, we ain't tested the trend or the 50 yet. We're right there. See if it pulls back, holds this, or bull flags. It'll probably break through this. I mean, this ain't gonna be much. You got this long-term trend. Almost to the high of this range too on the spot. It's kind of a toss-up, really. 390.39 is the high. I'll just get in with 2.
Opening order filled.
Whoa, just 4? That's not what I wanted to do. Alright, so I'm in bigger size than I planned. Yeah, we're going to peel out a little bit.
Closing order filled.
Peeling off 2. Now I'm in with my original position. Got my P&L down. Make sure my position size I want to scale out. Still holds 2. Alright, green on the day. These puts are not moving up or down too much. But now, begs the question is how far of a pullback we're going to get. Back into this level, I'm out. So, we had the top of this range right here on SPY I was looking at. And trend and this 50. And it was kind of at the same time, so it's kind of a toss-up. SPY looked a little bit more extended from the 9. Now, same type of push candle that was right here. Let's see if she holds this 9 like right here. Now we'll get out. Break of this range, I saw one. A little different formation than right here. It's kind of got a bear flag. These things can squeeze though. A lot of shorts gonna be piling in on this. Don't like how it's moving. So one.
Closing order filled.
Not gonna be a big P&L day for me. Q's is looking a lot better than SPY, but it could have a retest into here. I'm going to sell this contract. Only 5, but we're playing defense and we're just kind of getting a feel for the morning, right? Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. I had another trade, got a little bit more green on the day, but just wasn't feeling it. Obviously on the wrong side of the trade today. Just playing some ranges and some moving averages. The first Vwap tag was obviously the trade to get in, running up the highs, maybe leave one on to see if what happens. But anyway, green on the day, played defense, made some good decisions other than being on the wrong side of the trade. Anyway, thank you guys for support, and thank you. Bye.